Y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax Sarasota, standing on board a 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Guys, this is so new. Check this out. They don't even have the covering off the sticker yet. That's how new this thing is. And honestly, it's super pretty. Black, white, and gray. It's a gorgeous color combination, and it's a gorgeous boat. You can go way past the time we have on this video. Look at the details, stitching, sea deck design, outside, body lines. These things are gorgeous. So let's hit the main points. At the back, Mercury 300. 50 miles an hour with this boat, and it does so quietly and in luxury. Huge sun pad. One of the coolest parts about this boat, extremely comfortable, stereo controls, and if you haven't watched Sea Ray's videos, guys, even though this is fabric, this has a rear sunshade that goes out and covers this rear sun pad. The top on this boat is one of the biggest stories. It's power. It's absolutely monstrous, and it has that rear sunshade I talked about. Those details, look at these seats. Stitching, they're molded, they're gorgeous. You've got an incredible stereo system in this boat. You have an incredible head in this boat. Seriously, there's even more room than some of the other larger boats in the lineup, guys. It's serious. You've got awesome bolsters, multiple adjusting seats, and probably one of the nicest helm areas on any Sea Ray built today. Dual screens, awesome acrylic, both touch and analog stereo trim tabs. Guys, it's almost getting towards feeling like a cockpit. And for the people who don't want to be that involved, what an epic place to spend the day. The front of this boat is gorgeous and comfortable. If you want to see something that's a step above the rest, come to MarineMax in Sarasota. Guys, check out our brand new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard.